A horse is a large, four-legged mammal recognized for its speed, strength, and agility. It has been closely associated with humans for thousands of years and has played a significant role in transportation, work, and companionship. Its physical structure allows for powerful movement and extended travel across a variety of terrains. The body of a horse is muscular and well-built, with long legs designed for running. Its head is elongated, featuring large, expressive eyes and sensitive ears that can swivel to detect sounds from various directions. A horse's strong neck connects its head to a sturdy torso, supported by a wide chest and strong limbs. This mammal has a flowing mane along its neck and a long tail, both of which can serve to deter insects. Its skin is covered in short, sleek hair that varies in color, often depending on genetic traits. The hooves at the end of its legs are made of a tough, keratin-based material that supports its weight and absorbs impact during movement. The horse moves in several distinct gaits, which include walking, trotting, cantering, and galloping. Each gait has a different rhythm and speed, which can be used for different purposes, such as travel, sport, or work. The control and use of these movements are often refined through training. A horse has strong teeth adapted for grinding food, especially plant material. Its diet consists primarily of grasses and other vegetation, which it consumes in large quantities to meet its energy needs. The digestive system is efficient, but requires consistent feeding to maintain health and energy levels. The mammal's sense of hearing, smell, and vision are all highly developed. Its wide-set eyes provide a broad field of vision, allowing it to detect movement and danger quickly. Its sense of smell helps it identify other animals and changes in the environment, while its hearing keeps it alert to distant sounds. Horses are known for their energy and stamina. They can travel long distances without tiring easily, especially if well cared for. Their endurance and physical ability make them suitable for a variety of tasks, including pulling loads, riding, and performing in various disciplines. They also have a highly developed sense of balance and coordination. This allows them to navigate difficult terrain and respond quickly to changes in direction or speed. Their ability to react and move smoothly contributes to their agility and usefulness in many physical tasks. The horse has played a major role in human history, often serving as a means of transportation before modern vehicles. It has been used in farming, trade, and communication, and continues to appear in ceremonies, sports, and recreational activities today. Its versatility makes it one of the most useful animals in human society. Many people develop deep emotional connections with horses. Their expressive behavior and responsiveness to human interaction contribute to a sense of partnership. This emotional bond can be observed in riding, grooming, and mutual care between the animal and humans. The strength of a horse can be impressive. It can carry heavy loads, pull equipment, or sprint at high speeds. This combination of power and control allows it to perform various functions, from agricultural work to racing. It is a mammal capable of both brute force and graceful motion. The animal's hooves require regular maintenance to stay healthy and functional. Without proper care, they can become damaged or cause pain. This is why horses are often provided with protective shoes and regular trimming of the hoof material to maintain optimal condition. Horses are highly responsive to training and routines. They can be taught to follow commands, perform complex movements, or respond to subtle signals from riders or handlers. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them suitable for many roles in both work and leisure. Their coat requires regular grooming to stay clean and healthy. Grooming also helps to strengthen the bond between horse and human, as well as prevent skin issues. The process involves brushing, cleaning hooves, and sometimes washing or clipping hair for cleanliness or competition. Breathing in horses is efficient and adapted for activity. Their large lungs and strong heart work together to provide oxygen during movement. When running, their breath often matches the rhythm of their strides, maximizing airflow and endurance. The mammal's body language is an important way it communicates. Through ear position, tail movement, and general posture, it conveys mood, alertness, or discomfort. Observers can learn to read these signals to better understand the horse's state of mind or physical condition. Horses require a structured routine to remain healthy. This includes regular feeding, exercise, grooming, and health checks. Their size and needs mean they depend on careful, consistent care to thrive and remain useful in their roles alongside humans. This animal combines elegance with raw physical ability. Its speed, coordination, and responsiveness, matched with its adaptability to various roles, make the horse a remarkable mammal. It has earned a place in human life through centuries of shared labor, companionship, and trust. The lifespan of a horse varies depending on many factors, but in general, this mammal is known for living a considerable number of years when properly cared for. Horses are resilient animals with strong physical structures that allow them to endure a long period of life. Their endurance and natural biology support longevity, especially when their health and environment are stable and well managed. From a young age, a horse grows rapidly and reaches maturity within a few years. After reaching maturity, its physical condition may remain stable for a long stretch of time. It continues to work, perform, or live actively through much of its adult years. The prime years of a horse are generally long-lasting, and with consistent attention to nutrition and medical care, it remains healthy well into older age. A horse's lifespan is not solely determined by its physical traits, but also by how it is raised and maintained. Access to proper food, exercise, and veterinary support all contribute to a longer life. A horse that receives balanced nutrition and is monitored for illness or injury has a significantly greater chance of reaching advanced age than one that is neglected. As it ages, a horse may begin to show changes in body condition, movement, and energy levels. These changes usually happen gradually, and if recognized early, many of them can be managed. Older horses may not perform physically as they once did, but they can still lead comfortable, content lives for many years. Aging in horses, much like in other animals, does not necessarily mean a sharp decline in quality of life. Teeth can wear down over time, making feeding more difficult in older years. This can affect overall health if not addressed, so feeding adjustments are often necessary. Senior horses may be given softer foods or diets rich in easily digestible nutrients. With these adjustments, they can continue to eat well and maintain weight and energy. Joint health is another consideration as horses grow older. The large body and active lifestyle of a horse puts strain on the limbs over time. However, supportive care and controlled exercise help reduce discomfort and extend mobility. Regular checkups and management of joint stress go a long way in supporting a long lifespan. Many horses continue to live useful lives even after their working years are over. Their calm demeanor and familiarity with routines make them excellent companions or gentle animals for leisure purposes. Even when retired from demanding tasks, they often remain active and involved in light activities. Older horses can form strong bonds with caregivers and display a calm presence that only comes with time and experience. Their awareness and behavior often change as they age, but many grow more patient and steady. These traits make them well suited for roles that require reliability rather than speed or strength. While some horses may face age-related health issues, such as arthritis or reduced vision, many of these conditions can be treated or managed with modern care. The development of specialized diets, therapies, and supplements has significantly improved life expectancy for many horses. Preventative care plays a large role in how long a horse can live. The horse's heart and lungs, when healthy, continue to support its body well into its senior years. These vital systems are designed for stamina and endurance. As long as chronic conditions do not interfere, a horse can remain healthy, alert, and capable of daily activity late into life. Some horses remain active and vibrant well past their expected age range. This often reflects consistent care and attention throughout life. Owners who invest time and effort into the animal's needs from an early stage are often rewarded with a long companionship. These animals respond well to regular routines and thrive on steady, thoughtful management. Not all horses experience the same longevity. Factors such as injuries, disease, or stress can shorten life expectancy. However, those that live in stable, low-stress environments with appropriate care typically have a much greater chance of long-term survival. Individual differences play a role, but external conditions are often the deciding factor. Horses that live longer often serve as living records of human-animal relationships. Their age marks a shared history, and their continued presence in the lives of those who care for them is a source of connection and respect. These animals are seen not just as workers or performers, but as valued beings with long histories. Some of the oldest recorded horses have lived far beyond the average range, which shows that under certain conditions, extreme longevity is possible. These cases are rare but demonstrate that the basic biology of the horse supports long life when external pressures are minimized. Veterinarians and caretakers who specialize in aging horses often use targeted care strategies. This might include specific types of bedding, customized feeding schedules, and tailored exercise plans. These methods not only extend lifespan, but also enhance the quality of those later years. A horse's older age is often a reflection of years of effort from its caregivers. It stands as evidence that consistent care, attention to detail, and emotional investment lead to long-term success. The aging horse continues to offer value in calm companionship and presence. Even in the later stages of life, a horse maintains dignity, awareness, and the ability to interact meaningfully with its surroundings. These traits make the experience of caring for an older horse rewarding, despite the challenges that may arise. The bond formed over many years strengthens as time passes. The horse, as a mammal known for its strength and endurance, carries that same resilience into old age. With the right care and environment, it can live a long, healthy life, often surpassing expectations. Its lifespan is a testament to its biological design, human connection, and the long tradition of shared experience between animal and human. A horse, as a mammal, is naturally inclined to social interaction. This tendency to seek connection is not limited to others of its kind, but can extend to humans and even other animals. The way a horse socializes reflects patterns of behavior that are both instinctive and learned over time. These behaviors are shaped through experiences, relationships, and the environments in which the horse is raised. Socialization in a horse begins early in its life and is critical for emotional development. A horse learns how to interact through contact, observation, and physical proximity to others. It studies movement, sound, and expression to understand the intentions of those around it. These interactions help a horse develop a sense of safety and structure. Horses rely on body language and subtle cues to communicate. The position of ears, movement of the tail, and even the direction of a glance can signal various moods or intentions. Through these physical signs, a horse can express comfort, irritation, fear, curiosity, or trust. Such communication becomes especially refined in close-knit groups or with consistent human interaction. Touch plays an important role in social bonding. Horses often engage in mutual grooming, which helps them relax and build trust with one another. When humans take the time to gently handle or groom a horse, they may also build rapport. A calm touch, consistent presence, and patient voice can foster deep trust over time. Sound is another method through which a horse expresses itself. It may use vocal signals to alert others, seek attention, or respond to nearby movement. Though a horse is generally quiet, its few vocalizations are meaningful and often reserved for key moments of connection or concern. Within a group, a horse usually recognizes a structure or order. This structure is not fixed by force, but is often maintained by subtle behaviors and shared understanding. Horses respect boundaries and learn through repetition and feedback which roles they occupy. Some are more assertive, while others take on more passive roles. When introduced to new animals or people, a horse typically assesses them cautiously. It might observe from a distance, approach slowly, or test reactions with small gestures. If the interaction feels safe, the horse becomes more open and may initiate contact. If the interaction feels threatening, the horse will withdraw or show signs of tension. Horses are capable of forming long-term bonds. They remember individuals who have treated them well and show signs of recognition after long absences. They may even show signs of separation stress when removed from those they are attached to. This attachment is a key part of how they understand safety and social belonging. A horse prefers consistency and routine in its social world. Changes in company or handling can make it anxious or alert. Sudden shifts often lead to confusion or defensive behavior. For this reason, trust and predictability play important roles in helping a horse feel at ease socially. When a horse is unsure or lacks confidence in a situation, it often looks to others for reassurance. This may include observing behavior, moving closer to others, or mimicking actions. Through this kind of learning, a horse becomes more confident and socially aware. Horses use space as part of social interaction. They maintain a certain distance unless invited closer. Respect for personal space is learned and enforced through subtle signals or direct corrections. When boundaries are crossed without permission, a horse may respond with a warning gesture to re-establish space. Social play can also occur among horses. Young horses in particular engage in playful running, light kicks, or mock battles. These behaviors help build coordination, strength, and social understanding. Play also teaches limits how far is too far, when to stop, and how to communicate fairness. A horse thrives in an environment where it feels part of something larger. Isolation can cause it to become uneasy, withdrawn, or even unhealthy. Its well-being is closely tied to its sense of belonging and connection. Companionship often makes a horse calmer, more willing to learn, and more adaptable. Training becomes easier when social trust is established. A horse that trusts its human partner responds more willingly and learns faster. Miscommunication, by contrast, often results in resistance or fear. Social harmony is therefore essential for cooperation and mutual respect. In unfamiliar surroundings, a horse often seeks out signs of familiarity through those it knows. This behavior shows the depth of its reliance on social cues to manage change. A calm, familiar presence can help the horse stay composed in uncertain situations. Horses also observe others to learn. They may watch how another animal or human behaves and adjust their own actions in response. This observational learning plays a strong role in how they adapt to social environments and expectations. An emotionally stable horse is usually one with healthy social bonds. Its ability to trust, connect, and find reassurance in others reflects a strong inner sense of balance. Without these connections, it may develop stress, anxiety, or uncooperative tendencies. The social life of a horse is rich with nonverbal communication, structured interaction, and emotional connection. It is a mammal that seeks more than just survival. It seeks understanding, security, and shared presence. Through social interaction, it forms the foundation of a calm, balanced, and responsive life.